Hi guys, it's Amy with A2Z Stamping, and today I wanted to make a card using the For the Win stamp set. Have you guys seen this one yet? This is perfect for those of us who have kids who are playing sports. You've got a soccer ball, a basketball, a baseball, a golf ball, a trophy, a football. Go team, it's game day, birthday MVP, so you can make cute birthday cards. I'm your #1 fan. There's a win banner, these cute little stars, and a hip hip hooray. I wanted to make a card for my son's baseball coach, and I'll show you what I came up with. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I have a piece of Whisper white cardstock here. And this here is cut at 4 by 2.5. And I need a piece of scrap paper here. So I just have a piece of grid paper. And I'm gonna stamp I'm gonna grab my real red ink. And I'm gonna make kind of my own background paper, I guess. So their colors are red, and so I wanted to bring that in. Okay, so I want the baseball, and I'm just gonna ink that up, and I'm gonna make my own background. So I'm gonna go, it's not gonna be perfect, but I'm gonna go like this, kind of diagonal. Okay, and I'm going to, let's see, clean that off with my chamois here. Get that all nice and clean. I'm not done with my real red yet, but I'm gonna grab out the basic gray ink. So I wanted to do real red and basic gray. And I'm gonna ink that up again. And I'm gonna go now right here. Let's go right here and right here. Okay, and I'm gonna clean that off with the chamois. Get in the little nooks and crannies there. And I'm gonna go back to the real red and just kind of finish it off. So I got right there and maybe right there. Okay, so that's all I need the baseball for. Get that all clean with the chamois. All right, and I'm gonna set that aside, but isn't that cute? All right, then I took the Stitched Shapes framelits die. So there's circles, ovals, and squares. And I used this circle here, and I cut out a circle in Whisper white cardstock. So I've got this little guy right here, and I'm going to stamp the trophy on there using the basic gray. So I'm going to stamp that right in the center. Cute. Okay, clean that off. And I think I don't need any more real red. I will need my basic gray again, so I'm just going to set that aside for a second. All right, so let me show you the different elements. Actually, let's go ahead and build our card. We're gonna build it from the layers. So I have a piece of Whisper white cardstock here, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. Yep. And then I took a couple of pieces from the Regal's, sorry guys, I can't pick it up, the Regal's Designer Series paper pack. And because I wanted some real red. So the paper packs come with all 10 of the colors in the Regals, and you get 4 different designs. So this happens to just be 2 of them. There's gingham on one side and these kind of like diamonds on the other. And so this piece right here is cut at 4 by 1 inch. And this piece right here is cut at 4 by 1/2 inch. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this 1 inch piece, and I'm going to stick some adhesive on it. I want the gingham side showing, so let's see. So I'm just gonna line it up at the edge. Sorry. And it's gonna go across like so. Okay. I feel like there's a lot going on my desk. Let me get some stuff out of the way. Then I'm gonna take this cute little piece that we did and stick adhesive on the back. See, normally, a lot of times I just use our Designer Series paper, but if there's not anything in the colors I want, just go ahead and make your own. That's the beauty of it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that there. Although I would love to someday see Stampin' Up come out with some sort of sports suite one year. Wouldn't that be awesome? And this is gonna go right here. Okay. Then I'm going to stick our cute little trophy onto, I have a piece of just scrap real red cardstock. And I grabbed the Starburst punch, and I'm gonna punch out a Starburst. Okay. And this is gonna go right onto the back of that. right like so. And I'm gonna stick some dimensionals onto the back of our, oops, Starburst. Okay, I just peeled that one off already. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, and 4, I guess. I'll stick that one back. Okay. Peel these off. Okay. And my cute little trophy is gonna go right here. Okay, then I'm gonna grab the Go Team, and that's what I'm gonna ink up in the basic gray. And I'm gonna line my Go Team up right here. Go Team. Go Team. So cute. Let me clean that off with my chamois. I can close up my ink. All right, now we need a card base. So I have a piece of real red cardstock, 8.5 by 5.5. I'm gonna fold it in half, grab my bone folder, and we'll stick adhesive on the back of this. Oops. This is gonna go right on the front. And this is my card. You guys, isn't that so cute? I just love it. Go Team. And here's one I did earlier. So similar, my background's a tiny bit different, but I love it. Isn't that so cute? So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks guys. Bye.